We are comparing the top 3 rising superstars of no-code tools, wixstudio, figma, and Webflow. We are going to compare them in 4 categories: ease of use and UI, features and functionality, and pricing. First, ease of use. Figma. If you know Figma, it's pretty straightforward and easy to use. With drag and drop features and no div blocks or classes, it's less overwhelming. On the top of that, I absolutely love its UI. Wixstudio. Unlike Wix, which is for beginners and non-professionals, Wixstudio is a superior version of Wix. While it's beginner-friendly, it also offers features that professionals can utilize. Webflow. Webflow is more complex. A beginner might not be able to process its UI, which is understandable because it has steeper learning curve. You need to know the concepts of HTML, CSS, and sometimes even JavaScripts. So the winner here is Figma. Now the second category, features and functionality. Figma. Figma provides high-fidelity prototyping, advanced animations, customization and interaction, but limited templates. It has decent SEO tools and e-commerce functionality is decent with limited features. It has great integration options and API access. Basic CMS features are more focused on design and prototyping rather than full CMS functionality. Figma is designed for scalable and future-proof designs. It also has AI features like AI translation, rewriting, styling, and site building. Now, Wixstudio. Wixstudio is good for standard designs, has extensive templates but limited advanced customization. It has strong SEO features, robust e-commerce features suitable for small to medium-sized stores, and AI features like responsive AI, generative AI, AI-generated code. In terms of scalability, it is suitable for small to medium-sized businesses. Webflow. Webflow is highly flexible with advanced animations, extensive templates, and components. It offers excellent performance and comprehensive SEO tools. Its advanced functionality is ideal for custom online stores with wide range of integrations and API access. The CMS is one of the Webflow's best features, being both powerful and flexible. So here the winner is Webflow. Now the third category, pricing. In Figma, the lowest pricing starts at $5 and can go all the way to $40, while in Webflow, the lowest pricing starts at $14 and can go all the way to $39. On the top of it, this platform also has separate workspace plan for collaboration purposes. But in Wixstudio, the workspace plans are integrated in the site plans, saving you the headache of confusion. The lowest pricing starts at $19 and can go all the way to $159. This may seem like a pricing comparison to Figma and Webflow, but it's justified considering they also provide e-commerce, workspace, and site costs in one plan. So here the winner is Wixstudio. So here in each category, each tools got 1 point. Well, it's a pretty boring ending, but it is what it is. Personally, I prefer Webflow. Hope you like the video, subscribe for more videos.